Hi, teacher Cesar. Next, I will talk a little about my favorite store H&M. Their articles are clothes, accessories, jewelry, and things. In H&M, they sell very beautiful clothes, both for women and men. I like the clothes there because they are of good quality and last a long time. Okay. The buses are priced at approximately 82,900 and the chairs are priced at 46,900 or 64,900. Okay, imagine. Okay, women's dresses are priced at approximately 37,000 and 44,900. Commuters for women are priced at 24 twice 9,900. Also at H&M we fit pajamas for women and men. The cost of this is approximately 7,900. Okay, imagine. Now yearly and accessories. And yearly and accessories at H&M tend to be a bit praised for the quality of it. It's going for 60,000 in out. Earrings and sorry, earrings and necklaces. In this image, there is more varied, such as rhymes, birds, and they are more expensive. Their price is to 99,000, 49,000, 9,000 to 255,000. And in a cat else I give praise of millions. Okay, you can also think then it's just okay. Then it's just very few in their praise are between 109,000 and 209 99 sorry thousand. Okay. Okay, teacher, thank you for giving me the opportunity to talk about my favorite place to buy clothes and all the other things. Thank you, teacher. Bye bye.